This is going to be a video tutorial on how to enable or disable JavaScript in the 360 Secure browser. I will be using a desktop PC for this. Let me jump over to my browser here. I have the 360 Secure browser opened up now. To enable or disable JavaScript, it's very easy to do. You want to go off to the upper right hand corner, up to where you see the 3 Bar Hamburger Menu. You want to click on that. Then you want to go down to where it says Settings and click on Settings. Now in the pane, off to the left hand side here, you want to click on Privacy and Security. Then on the center pane, you want to click on Site Settings. Then you'll scroll down toward the bottom. In the content area, right here is JavaScript. By default, JavaScript is allowed. You want to click on JavaScript. And right up top here, if this is toggled on, then JavaScript is allowed. If it's toggled off, then JavaScript is blocked. Down below that, you can customize particular websites. I have my JavaScript set to blocked right now. And I can go down to the bottom where it says allowed, and I can manually add websites to allow JavaScript on just them by clicking on add. A little dialog box appears, and you could paste in a URL and then click on add, or vice versa. You could toggle on JavaScript and block particular websites right here by clicking on add and paste in a URL to block a particular website. But overall, the main feature is right up here. If this is toggled on, JavaScript is enabled. If it's toggled off, JavaScript is blocked. That is how to enable or disable JavaScript on the 360 Secure browser. Thanks for watching.